The dead cat bounce, and how does it work? If a stock crashes 25%, is there a chance that it's going to go up? Check out this video, stay tuned, see what a dead cat bounce is all about as we break down this move here on SAGE. So SAGE this morning, it was down 25% at one point. It gapped down there from the $88 area. And you can see, bam, $65, bounced back up there to the $70. So big move there, really, from $88, $65, bouncing back up there to $70. Very volatile and kind of coming back down there, getting a lot of selling going on there. This is all pre-market. So this is all happening pre-market before there's a lot of volume, before there's a lot of action there on the stock. There's no short sale restriction yet. It's still getting shorted. And you can see I ended up going short here at the $66 area. And it did not want to break $66, so I ended up covering there for a small loss. Only 100 shares. I thought we might get them moved back to the $65 area. Worst come to worst, I covered 65. Maybe it wants to go lower. Who knows? But here, SAGE had a lot of wiggle room there, but I thought, hey, I might get a dollar move, 100 shares, make $100 here pre-market, just a quick little bang, 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 in and out. 65.40 support holding there, a lot of buying going on. I actually was like, that's one of the reasons I covered, because it wasn't going lower. It was just getting bought up. It just would not go lower, so that was kind of like a sign. I was like, okay, time to cover. This ain't really working out for me. So I ended up covering their small loss. But you can see here, SAGE at open, really, from 9 o'clock until 9:30, this thing went from 65.40 up there to 69.80. So already a $3-4 move there before open. And then right here at open, look at this move. So literally from 66.97, it jumped up here to $76 basically. So you got a $10 move there in the opening in the first 10 minutes. So that dead cat bounce worked out amazingly. I was trading ALDX. I kept an eye on SAGE, but really gave me no opportunity. It just went straight up there at open. I was paying attention to the ALDX trade. But looking here at SAGE, it gapped down 25%. It opens up, market open, 9:30. The short sale restriction kicks in. So no longer can people short on the bid. They have to short on the ask. So it makes it a lot harder for the shorts to crash the stock once that happens. And you can see it worked out perfectly. So literally from 66.97 up there to $72 on that first 5-minute candle. And then from there, it went higher the rest of the day, up there to 77.41. It closed up here at the 76.49 area. It's after hours is at $78. So crazy move here on SAGE. I'm like, hindsight's always 20/20. I had 100 shares there. I could have covered there at $66. I could have got in there at $66. I could have just held it and gave it a chance. So I really wasn't thinking like that. I wasn't even thinking about the dead cat bounce. I've seen this happen before. These bio stocks, they sell off bad news. I think this stock had a bad news about one of the trials. It wasn't that bad of news, I guess, because it ended up, regaining some of that. It was still down from the $88 area, but got pretty close back to $80. So basically pre-market, it was easy for shorts to crash it down. And then after that, it came back. And you can see this would have been an amazing play. SAGE here. I'm like looking at it, I'm like, what was I doing? Where was I? What was I thinking? I should have been trading SAGE. This was the big move of the day. Literally, I could have got a $10 move there on 100 shares up in $1,000 profit with only 100 shares. Doesn't seem like much, but hey, that's amazing move here. And SAGE all the way up there to $78 by the end of the day there. So pretty amazing. The dead cat bounce, it works. Something I need to think about more often. Gotta be thinking, hey, this stock's already down 20-30%. Is there a chance this is going to bounce back? What's the news? What's really going on here? Is it the end of the world, or is this stock going to bounce here at open? It's already down 20%, so that means once market opens, if the stock is over 10% selling off, it's crashing, that's when a short sale restriction kicks in, and bam. Once that happens, you get this squeeze. The shorts get squeezed. It goes back up there to $78. So amazing move there on SAGE. Something to think about there when you're looking pre-market at stocks that are crashing down. Is it a good dip buy? Is this the dip buy? This would have been an amazing dip buy here on SAGE. I don't know. I just wanted to talk about this. Maybe give you guys an idea. Something I need to think about. I really need to put that on my list. Hey, get an idea. Stock's down 30%. Is there a chance it's going to bounce? Where's support at? Is it holding pre-market? Where can I possibly buy a dip here and look for that move at open once the short sale restriction kicks in? Even if I got $2-3 move there on 100 shares, $300-400 profit, I'm happy with that. That would have been a beautiful morning. I could have done an easy trade there, literally. In the first 5 minutes, this thing popped up $6. So there it is, SAGE, dead cat bounce.